going to be a day of little jobs today. So while I think about the next round of series called My Very First, so in this case the group has voted for my very first pavers using a couple of different methods or stepping stones, and my first garden pot. They were the popular ones. So what I'm doing now is, before I get into those vids, I'm going to seal them so I can demonstrate what it looks like sealed or not sealed. So with this one I've got Bondcrete, and in the middle it says it's really good for as a sealer. So always read the instructions. Here's me being a very good girl. And then we turn it around here, and then it has separate things on all the various things it can do, and follow the guidance for using it as a sealer, which is basically 50-50 mixed with water, painted on, and allowed to dry for 24 hours, so overnight. And then it's just a matter of finding a great big fat juicy paintbrush. This one works really well, all from Bunnings of course, and then just paint it on and leave it. As simple as that. Likewise for pots. Now if your pot's already sealed, it may not paint very well on. A bit like this one. I hope you can see it all right. Because it's already sealed. But we'll look at how to test for that, whether you waste your time or not, because there's no point in giving it an extra seal because it's already done. Simple as that. Wow. Who knew?